So the history of the macaron. Macaron? Macaron. Macaron? I don't know. I don't care. It's a cookie.
Care.
It's a temperamental cookie. This week, no mood for this. So, according to, again, another one that it's so old that there's no like, oh well, we know this for a fact. It's lore. This is a lore. This isn't history. This is the lore.
Okay.
So it goes back to the 8th century. So pretty old. And according to the legends, the macaron was introduced in France in 1533 when Queen, and of course, it's another name, just you all know by now, Queen Catherine de Medici. Oh, it'd probably be Medici.
Medici?
It'd be yeah, because Italian. It'd be Medici.
Medici.
Of Italy, married King Henry II of France, and her pastry chefs brought the macaron recipe with them. So, clearly, it's actually originally Italian.
And it existed before the time you just gave us.
Yeah.
Okay. Got
I
it.
mean that's like, that's like,
Yeah, I get it. It's like heritage. It's just part of their culture, and no one can tie it down. But that's the first, I guess, exposure to another country or culture.
yeah, pretty much. And then they have so then the cookies were made from almonds, egg white, and sugar, and called weird name, priest belly buttons.